don't worry, there's noises. I love noises. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, dude, honestly, I don't want to jinx it, but I am feeling way better. Like yesterday I went out to dinner for the first time in like months. And we went to Mongolian barbecue, and I just had like this random, I found out there was like a Mongolian barbecue. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Mongolian barbecue place, like kind of near where I live. Not really, it was like kind of far, but not the worst. So we went, just like, okay, I don't want to jinx it because I know it can come back, but I just am so thankful that for like just these couple days of like not feeling so horrible. Do my eyebrows need to be darker? Okay, so the thing is that it's not like I'm giving into my cravings. We know that I'm fat right now. Yes, we do. I'm trying to be nice. No, I'm not. Okay. Okay. So I'm not giving into my cravings. I really am not. It's just like when I want something with protein, I kind of just do it because it's, oh my God, the cat. I just rarely, that's way better. I just rarely want anything with protein. Okay. So I'm going to Cheesecake Factory and I'm taking you guys with me. I don't give a fuck. No, I don't. Okay, shut up. I would never go to Cheesecake Factory. I would not. Because have you seen the calories on that? Like, dude, it is, I cannot believe how fattening Cheesecake Factory it is. It is so bad. One meal there is like 3,000 calories. I'm not kidding. I will have 3 bites and I won't have the rest. I promise you. So, I want to go with you guys to Cheesecake Factory and I'm going to just go alone. Like, I don't care. I don't give a shit. No, I don't. That's what I feel like and that's what I want. So come with me and let's just go get my favorite dish there because I just really want it and it's protein. So I'm just going to do it because I just have not been eating protein. Like I literally eat Eggos and, Jack's Tacos, which I don't think have protein in them. I'm not sure. Like they're vegetarian. Okay. I don't know. They probably do, but like, you know what I mean? I haven't had like any like real food in a while. Just because it's like, I don't feel like it. Okay, anyway, before I get started, I want to tell you guys that it is the Black Friday, HRH Black Friday promo. And you guys know that every year, you guys know I don't fuck around with my promos. You know that my promos are like, they are real designs that I put in my line afterwards, after the promo. I also think of it as a way for you guys to try my line. Like, I love my line so much. I only wear my line. I do wear Cartier too, but I do only wear my line. I love it that much. So I would never do like a cheap freebie ever, ever, ever. You guys know that. And every year I try to do something that just represents what I love. What I like right now, but also, okay, anyway, let me just get into it. It's called the J'adore HRH collection. And you can choose any of these pieces for free with any order, no minimum. You can get something for $40. You can get something for whatever. Like, it doesn't matter what you get. You can choose an item, and I have more to show you, and they're all handmade by me with really amazing materials. I will show you. Boys and girls, and amazing materials. Okay, so this first one, this is on 14K gold filled chain, okay? This is a vintage Swarovski crystal, a rare color. I have 3 colors for you guys to get. These will be on the line afterwards for probably, I'm thinking either 95 to 120, depending on how rare the stones get, okay? How much, you know what I mean? Like how much I'm able to find them or not. It's all called supply and demand. If you don't get off of my page, I'm not getting a fight with you during my promo. Just sit down, rat. Okay. I'm already getting mad because you're already questioning me. I know what you're doing. Like, you're like, oh, why would it be that? Because you don't understand supply and demand. So sit the fuck down. Okay, we're not getting in a fight with this. Just stop. So it just depends. I haven't been able to figure that out. Okay, anyway, this is the AB, pink AB. It's on 14K gold filled chain, or you can choose 925 sterling silver solid. If you guys have gotten my 14K gold filled chain in a promo before, which you have, this is a size up. It's glitter chain, but this is a size up. The other one I used was thinner. This is thicker. So I've upped the game for you guys. This is something you can wear every day. It's gold fill or sterling silver. And look at this heart. These are vintage Swarovski. They are so pretty. I'll show you guys. I'm wearing the earring too, or you can choose a hoop. Look at the earring. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So stunning. Love it. Okay, you guys know how I feel about vintage Swarovski. That's how I started my line, was vintage Swarovski stuff, pieces. Okay. The next one is the mini flash. That you guys know we love the flash necklaces so much. I do them in 10K. I do them in sterling with gold dip. This is a mini one. So it's a new gauge. It's not really small, but it's a mini delicate one. Not so delicate, like really pretty. And you can choose your letter, silver or gold. And then you can also choose numbers, okay, which I think is cool. Okay, totally free. okay? Just free, right out of the bat. I'm telling you, some of these are gonna be over $100 when this promo is done. You guys know how it works. You've been here long enough. You know when the promo is done, I add them to my line and they are regular priced things. These are free right now. Okay, next. You can't see this one right here. It's so blown out. This is the metallic candy heart. It is the cutest thing. Look at this solid. It's solid. It's not hollow. It's like 3D solid with a little crystal in the middle on this, like, this is stainless steel, also beautiful though. Look at how it sparkles and it matches perfectly with the chain, and it comes in gold or silver. Okay, so either, okay, 14, 15, and 16 inches are totally free. If you're gonna get a long one, this is 20, 18 or 20, it's $10, but you don't have to get that. If you want it, it's nice to get layers. Also, it's one per order. So if you wanted to get multiple pieces, just place another order and choose another gift. Okay, I have one more thing. I wanna show you guys another, I wanna show you guys some options. I wanna do another stack. I don't know how many words. I love this so much. It's so pretty. This is the one you never have to take off, okay? Like, it's just, you don't really take off these either. This is stainless, like you never have to take it off, okay? So I also have this one. It's called the Luster Hardware. And if you guys know my line, you know this hardware. I use this same hardware in my line, okay? And it's free, okay? It's ridiculous. I use it on the bankroll. I use it on the industrial lariat. I use it in a lot of different places. It's solid, gorgeous on this really gorgeous chain. Free, okay? Like, it's just, you guys, I just love you. You know my story about like cheap throwaway freebie gifts that companies do. I cannot stand like the disrespect. I would never do that to you. So I always make my free thing. Like, I want you to try my line. You know what I mean? I want you to see how nice it is. So I feel like it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to do that. Okay. So this is like a 20-inch gold or silver. And what's cool about the 20-inch is you can wear it like a lariat too. You can just pass it through here and wear it as a lariat, which is really cool. It's just another way to do it, and it's just another layer vibe. The silver, you know, is just really good. I feel like a lot of guys wear silver. Oh, there's one more. Okay, the silver is really pretty too. Okay, this one only comes in silver, but it's not really silver. It's called diamond. It's a diamond chain, I call it. So it mixes really well with the gold as well. This is called the glacé, which means icy in French. It's a really delicate, like, mini tennis necklace, okay? And, okay, what is that? Oh, okay, I thought it was something. It's a scab. Okay, so you can get it with or without this pendant. Look at this pendant. How gorgeous is this? It's 3D. I know I say 3D, it's like chunky. I don't know another word for it. It's open on the back. It's so gorgeous. And look at that. It's just stunning. It's so pretty. You can get this on a hoop if you want to. Okay, so those are the options. Let me show you guys the crystals too before we go. Before I want to put another stack for you just so you guys can see. But okay, these are all rare and vintage colors. Okay, so okay, why are you saying that? Like, stop. You don't know the fucking word. Okay. This is Gloomy Lavender. Look at that. This is a very rare color, honestly. It's in all of the years of me doing vintage crystals, I haven't seen this color too often. It's really neat. It's really interesting. It's really moody. It does change in certain lights. It gets darker, it gets lighter. It's gorgeous, okay? Oh my God, why do I keep doing that? Okay. Stop. Okay. Is this something I always do? I just noticed it, because that's really cringe. So this is the Her Majesty Red. It's just like a deep red, and sometimes it looks darker, like it looks really, really deep. And then this is the Pink AB. So anyone you guys can go with, and you can see the sterling silver chain and the gold filled chain option. Okay, one more thing to add to complicate things even further. No, I'm not kidding. So you guys know how I love to customize things to like that, so you guys love them for yourself. I'm totally into that. I will even, if you want, say you wanted like this on this chain, or if you wanted the A or your initial on the 14K gold filled chain, I can do that for you. It's an extra $15. Just place your order, email me, and I'll just send you an invoice for the 15 so that you get your own custom version. Like, these are the ones that I designed and I selected because I think they look nice. And I just want to keep it streamlined. But if you guys are like, oh, I wish I could get that on that, I will totally do that for you. No problem. Just email me. It's just more fun that way. Like, this is you're wearing these pieces. So, yeah. Okay. So that is my promo for this year. All my promos are amazing. You guys know that. and I would never let you down. And I just like, yeah, okay, so that's the promo. And I just want to go to Cheesecake Factory because I'm really fucking hungry. But before I go, I'm gonna do one more little stack to show you. I just don't want to take this off. Like, it's just so like, it's just made for me. It's just like the cutest. Look how pretty that is. Like, I can't. And the chain is just so, I just love it. And it's really a shame this is getting blown out because it's just, look at it. Look how cute. Okay, there. So pretty. Okay, let me put on another combo and show you. Okay, so this is a 14-inch metallic candy heart, and this is the 16-inch in the, what do we say, glacé. So these are totally free. The lengths are, you know, it only costs $10 if you want the longer 18 and 20. So this is an example of a little stack that is perfect and free. Well, one would be free. If you want another one, just place another order. And I want to show you guys the detail. I love it. So it just depends on, you know, what length you want. And I didn't show you this too. I'm wearing the Gloomy Lavender on this earring in the back. I don't know if you guys can see the color, how it changes. It's just really moody and cute. So that's that. Okay, and then here is the mini flash with an H, and you can see how pretty the chain is, how it sparkles or it flashes, and I love this. Just like really good for an everyday stack. And for boys, I know that a lot of you guys love the diamond look, but you might not want the heart, so you can choose this with or without, and then you can just layer as you want. And I have not shown you guys this yet. Yes, I have, but this is really cool. You can see it on my, look how gorgeous this is. Like, so unisex, so perfect. It's really pretty. If you wanted to add like a shorter, make this shorter, like a 14. I don't think this comes 14, so you do like 16 and then 18 on this one, or you could do 14 and 16 on this one, just flip it if you wanted that look. But it's just so gorgeous. This could totally be free for you if you place 3 separate orders. Gifts, they are gorgeous quality. I don't have to, for new people who are here, who haven't tried my line, you don't know the quality, but everyone else, you guys know, so tell them. And like, there's one that would be shorter like that, or you can do the lariat look, which I think is so cool. If you get like the 18 or the 20, it's usually the 20. This is 18. This is 16. The 16 wouldn't work, but if you got the 18, then you can make the lariat. So there's so many combos. I showed you the lariat with the gold, and I'm wearing them in my pictures too, but these are just so, I can't stop talking about them. You guys know, like with my line, I can't talk to anyone about my line because I can't sell shit, but I feel like you guys want to hear, so it's okay, but I could never sell my line. It's the weirdest thing. Like when I have showrooms, I'm the worst. Like, I'm like, okay, you want to buy something? I'm shocked. Like, I'm so down. Like, I just have but I love this so much. It's so cool. And the hardware. Okay, I need to stop, but this is amazing. Do not miss out, you guys. You will be like, oh fuck, and then it'll be for sale. You'll be like, oh my God, I could have had that for fucking free. Okay, let's go to Cheesecake Factory. Yes, we will. Okay, I'm so excited. Like, okay, I can be fat no, I can't stop. Okay, I'm not being fat, but I'm just gonna have a couple of bites, and yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, I'm here at Cheesecake Factory and it's fucking lunchtime and it looks busy and I'm gonna be in there eating alone. I swear to God, I'm gonna have like 4 bites and we're leaving. Like, I'm not doing this. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. Like, it's just too fattening. Okay, so I'll show you. This is what I wore. I just love this one so much and I wanted to mix metal, so I feel like this is like a good way. I can't take this off. I just can't. I love it. Mini flash, glacé, and the Mon Core, the vintage core, and then the match. Okay. So that's that. Let's go. Fuck, you guys, I feel so guilty, but like, I don't ever do this. You know that. You know I don't do this. It's just like, fuck. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Fuck. What the fuck ever. Okay, so I'm here, and what I came for, is spicy cashew chicken, and they don't have it on the menu anymore. Like, literally, it's God telling me, fuck are you doing? Like, that's out of everything that I wanted, that's what I wanted, and it's off the menu. Like, that, it just tells you so much right there. So I got orange chicken instead, even though I don't feel like that at all. Like, why would they take that off? It's like literally a message from God. He's like, do not. guys know. Not very good. It's like kind of cold. I've never had God tell me not to do something more than this lunch date. This was him telling me don't do this. Proof of what I'm leaving. Okay. Dude, that was the biggest fucking mistake of my life. They took away the spicy cashew chickens. I get orange chicken. It was like cold and it was weird, and there was like not a lot of pieces. Like they really like downsized, which is fine. I wasn't gonna eat anyway, but it just wasn't good. And like that was so God telling me like, what the fuck are you doing? Like I need to stop. That was literally him being like, what the actual hell? What in hell are you doing? When would I have ever gone to Cheesecake Factory midday? Have I ever been to Cheesecake Factory? You guys know me, like I don't. So I'm not doing this anymore. Anyway, thanks for coming with me. Don't forget about my promo, you guys. Do not forget, okay, I love you. And this was definitely a learning lesson for me, a learning experience, not to be a fat ass pig. Okay, bye.